Hello, welcome to this video. So this problem, would be another problem, about sequence and series, in section B, of paper 1, the conventional parts. So this sequence, in particular, so that will be about arithmetic sequence. So and then an, is the nth term, of an arithmetic sequence, and find a1, so that means the first term of the sequence. Now since a1, has been denoted as the first term of the sequence, so that's why we do not really need to let let the first term we only need to let d be the common difference of the sequence. So here, so we try to use the general term formula, for AS. So A plus n minus 1d, so n would be 5. So that's why 4d equals 26. And then A1 plus 11d equals 61. So and then we got two equations, two unknown. So and then equation 2 minus equation 1, so we got 7d equals 35, and then d equals 5. And then put d equals 5 into one of the equations. So I would choose equation 1. So a1 plus 4 times 5 equals 26. So that's why a1 equals to 6. And then part A is done. Part B. So we want to find the greatest value of k such that that means satisfying the inequality in terms of log. And then part B is 5 marks. So we need to handle it with care. So first of all, we copy the inequality. So log g1 times g2 times g3 and then times blah 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 times up to gk, and then this is the product, and then to the base 8 less than 999. So now here we need to relate g and a. We need to relate the two sequences using this relation, using this equation. So log gn to the base 2. So here be careful, this is base 2 and this is base 8. So of course the next thing we need to use will be the change base formula. So here I will need to change the base 8 into base 2. So already above, put it in the numerator and then over log 8 to the base 2. So here we try to use the change base formula. So base 8 into base 2, and then log 8 to the base 2 is 3, so we try to multiply both sides by 3. So and then we try to use the logarithm property. So log AB equals log A plus log B. So that's why we try to split the single logarithm into the sum of k logarithms. So 999 times 3, so that would be 2997. So and then according to the green equation, log g1 to the base 2 would be a1. And then we can change back everything into a. And then don't forget, okay, the sequence AN is arithmetic. So that's why here, okay, just sum of the first k terms, okay, of the arithmetic sequence AN. So that's why here, okay, so we try to recall the formula k over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1d, d would be 5, and then less than 2,997. And then we try to multiply both sides by 2, and then multiply the k inside the square brackets as well, and then try to rewrite the whole inequality back into the general form of the quadratic inequality. So that would be 5k squared, and then plus 7k, and then minus 5,994, less than 0. Okay, so maybe we zoom a little bit. Okay, so the corresponding parabola opening upwards, okay, because the coefficient of k squared is 5, which is positive, so that's why y equals 5k squared plus 7k minus 5,994. Okay, so and then the two roots, okay, by the calculator, well, quite ugly, so it must be irrational lah. So negative 35.3, and then the other one would be 33.93. So here, since the question wants us to find the range of values of k such that, okay, the output value, okay, the value of y is less than 0. So that's why we want this part of the parabola, okay? We want this part of the parabola. So we cannot use the 35 point something directly. We need to write the exact, okay? We will need to write the exact value of the k-intercepts. Okay, so that's why we need to give the root form. So that would be negative 7 minus and b squared minus 4ac. Okay, and then less than k, less than, oh, don't forget over 2a. Okay, so less than k, less than, so negative 7, so that would be negative b plus 7 squared minus 4 times 5 times negative 5,994 over 2 bracket 5. And then finally we can write down the range, okay, in decimal form now. So negative 35.3307667 less than k less than 33.93076667. Okay, so and then based on that, okay, so of course the greatest value of k will be just 33. Okay, so and then this part is also done. Okay, so thank you for watching.